Introductions. Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. Today I will be discussing my professional plans for the next few years. By 2027 I will have completed my master degree in business administration, which will significantly enhance my qualification and open up new opportunities in the corporate world. In the next 5 years, I will be working for a multinational company where I will be continuously developing my leadership skills. By the end of 2028, I will have been promoted to a managerial position where I will be overseeing a team of marketing professionals. In the term of personal development, I will be attending various workshops and conferences to stay updated with the latest trends in business and technology. By 2030, I will have establishing myself as a thought leader in my field with several publications in reputable business journals. Furthermore, I plan to expand my professional network by participating in industry events and joining professional associations. By the end of this year, I will have built a strong network of contacts that will support me in my career advancement. In conclusion, I'm confident that with hard work and determination, I will achieve my professional goals and make a significant impact in the business world. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to your feedback. Thank you.